The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for west central Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Evadale, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near just around 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Deweyville, Devil's Pocket, and Hartburg around 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.